lovely home in the sought-after Piedmont neighborhood. This mature, centrally located neighborhood is not only beautiful but close to everything in Huntsville. This home was lovingly cared for and enjoyed for 48 years. It has 5 bdrs/3.5 bths and 3345 square feet. The first floor has a traditional floor plan West formal Liv.Rm, Din.Rm. Boasting Hrwds, a bright kitchen and fan room West gas fireplace. The sunroom and craft room give space for the creative soul. A couple of steps down take you to a roomy rec space and adult bedroom bth. The second level has master and 3 oversized adult bdrms. Other features include smooth ceilings, updated laundry, roof and gutters 2017, 2-car garage, RV cover and Cook's termite bond.